we are in a very important time for PEPE, the cryptocurrency, because the crypto market will never be the same again in about 24 hours. The price of PEPE will change because of this. It will have an effect on Bitcoin and on the whole world. We're going to talk about the US election, of course. What are some big macroeconomic events that are about to happen? Plus a lot more. Where can the price of PEPE go? Can we maybe get a third wave for this? Let's talk about it in this movie. If you still think PEPE is a good investment, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can see more videos like this. Now guys, let's start this. As you can see, there was some fluctuation over the weekend. This is what you would expect. I think there is some pre-election suppression going on in the Bitcoin market right now. Right now, we've gone back a little ways to find PEPE. In fact, we hit 4 zeros. There was a 1 in this zone, but we were hit with a down signal right here. PEPE is moving down with 5 zeros and an 8. This is a very important area for us. And if we look at PEPE's technicals right now, we can see that we are stabilizing at this important support zone. As you can see from this price chart, this area has been a support level in the past. There was also support down here at the 5 zeros and the 6 to 7 level in the past. That's right, now we're bouncing off of this 5 zeros and an 8 level for PEPE. To give you an idea of how strong the coin is, its trade volume of 1.2 billion is very good. 3.4 billion on FTV, and it's possible that we're seeing wave 3. That's something we'll talk about later in the show. What will really change the crypto market? These days, what will happen with the US election is what will affect the whole world. Guys, this will happen in about 24 hours. It's Monday now, and tomorrow is November 5th. We will know who wins the US presidential race by tomorrow in about 24 hours. This is very important for crypto. As I already told you, it has to do with how crypto is handled in the US. A big whale actually took out $5 million USDC from Binance to bet that Kamala Harris will win the US election, which I saw. This is getting interesting, guys. Wow, some whales are betting $5 million, which is a lot of money. But guys, if we look at the polls on Polymarket right now, it's really coming down to the wire. It's almost time. That means Trump was winning. He had gained 66% to 33%. It looked like it would be a tsunami, but it's only been closing in the last few hours. That's 55% PS, 45%. This is going to change hour by hour, minute by minute. This is going to be one of the big things for the US. It will be very important for the economy, for macroeconomics, and for PEPE and Bitcoin. This is because once again, I want to see what's important for crypto and what's important for your wealth. If you own any kind of cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, PEPE, or even a small altcoin, you want to see pro-crypto policy come out of the US. In the past, guys, the USA has been unfriendly and cold for what seems like forever. Many people think that if Trump does become president, he will change the rules to be very bullish on crypto. There could be a big crypto industrial age in the US, and a lot of money could come back to the country. As for Trump's ideas about a 0% income tax, I also think that would be great for the crypto market. After all, what can people do with their extra money if they don't have to pay as much tax? They can put it into cryptocurrency. In fact, I think a lot of things are up for grabs. What it says will of course shape the direction of the US for the next 4 years. This is going to be really big. There is something to be careful of. Based on the information we have now, the market is telling us that Trump will win, which is likely to happen. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. We're also going to look at it tomorrow. What happens with Trump, who might become president of the United States? With that said, PEPE is bouncing it around the zeros and eights level. I still think PEPE will do very well in the long run. We've had some good things happen with this cryptocurrency. Once more, 189 new holders for PEPE. The market is very scared because of the election coming up. It's not smart to sell before the bull run starts. Things always get dark before they get light. PEPE is protected by God. That tweet is coming from Plasma on X. This is also important. Once more, PEPE, what does it need to do? In fact, it does need to get more organic users. The neighborhood does need to stay strong. One more time, the crypto market could be about to have a huge bull run. All of this means that the crypto market is changing. I'm still bullish. In fact, I made a trade today. I'm saying that I'm looking for Bitcoin to go up right now. I've set up a leveraged trade right now where I'm buying to 5. Do you guys want to join into? Yes, you can. But don't forget to set your stop losses. If we do get hit with more manipulation and instability, I've set a stop loss at $65,000. But that's what I want right now. You can get some of these bonuses and make your own deals if you want to. For Bitcoin or Pepe as well. Use the link that's written below this movie. You can sign up and pay. So that's how I trade in the Bitcoin market right now. And I'm still going to be bullish on Bitcoin and Pepe for a long time. Right now, everyone is looking at Bitcoin. Pepe will be the center of attention. A lot of people will be watching the race for president in the US. We also have this tweet coming out for a possible third wave. So, is it possible that wave 3 will reach a market cap of $50 billion? I am sure that this is possible. This is the number we've been talking about on the show. This will happen again to run. Since this is the case, Bitcoin could go up a lot. That's why Bitcoin needs to get out of the zone it's in right now. We have looked at a lot of Bitcoin price momentum on the channel, and as you can see, there has been a big drop in Bitcoin prices in this area. At this point, Bitcoin has not been able to break out of the low $70,000 band. That was the all-time high price for Bitcoin, which was about $74,000. There have been times when things were unstable. As you can see, we went from $500,000 to $48,000. However, we have only recently begun to see some bullish momentum and evidence. I still think this trend will stay positive. The way I feel is like that. Taking a look at how things are now, I think the future is good. When Trump takes office, he does what he said he would do and make crypto-friendly laws. We think that might be the end of a very strong bull run. We could start to move out of this zone. We might be able to break $100,000. And I think that when Bitcoin hits $100,000, you'll see a lot of meme coins and altcoins go through two straight lines. That could also be a place to make money in the long run. Again, it's very important in crypto that you take gains as the waves come through during the next bull run. In other words, when you hit a winner, you make sure to take some money off the table. In the crypto market, that's what I do. That's where you can make the crazy gains. For that reason, it was important to know when to trade, buy and sell. But it's really exciting right now. There's a good chance that the next 24 hours will be the busiest for the crypto market in a long time. And we're going to find out what happens. So guys, if you want to know what happens, subscribe and click the bell. There are also links in the video description that you should click on if you want to get some nice freebies. The crypto market is very volatile right now, but you can still get in and make deals. But guys, that's a big news story. Thank you so much for listening. There would be a lot more low cap crypto gems on the channel as well. I'll see you all in the next one. Crypto's use is leaving.